Beautiful 2023 Ford Bronco. I got lost right there. Beautiful. They put the lift kit. They kind of enhance the appearance for the 4x4. And yeah, this is the problem. Horrible, stinky stained cloth. Welcome guys, and we have the 2023 Ford Bronco. This will fit your Bronco from 2021 to 2025. It will fit the Heritage, the Freewheeling, the Outer Banks, the Badlands, the Sport, the Wildtrak, the Black Diamond, Sasquatch, Everglades, and the Raptor, guys. This was personalized. Right here, guys, what you're looking at is a black wrap with a fawn wings. Also features perforations with a single diamond inserts. It was personalized with embroidery right there, guys. And this is your two front buckets, and this is the part for the rear. I know it looks like crap right now, guys, but if you look for the other videos when we do the installation, you can see how beautiful these interiors can get. And guys, these are not your cheap seat covers. These are full upholstery kit, just like the dealer intended. This is just like factory. It will come with the back pockets right here for the maps, and it will come with the airbag reinforcements, so everything can be just to a specification. So this is not your cheap sliding covers, guys. These are not seat covers. This is upholstery work, guys. So this is what you're gonna get when you order this kit. Now, guys, we have this in over 60 different colors and combinations. You can build it in any way that you like. Obviously, prices vary. Please inquire. You can get the more affordable version of this, which is the factory kit, or you can transform this and add also the degree system, so you can have heating and cooling. So all 3 levels of heating will be in that little switch, 3 levels of cooling in one single little switch. You can add that to this particular kit or any other kit for that reason. And guys, if you are in a budget, because this is our top of the line system, you can get at least your heater so you are not shivery in the winter. Some of these vehicles come already equipped with the heaters. If you don't have it, this is one good opportunity to get the heaters, guys. And like I say, this is not your cheap seat cover, guys, so you can just slide in. This is full upholstery work, so it takes time to install. All the trimming pieces are there. Let me show you in this one. All this attachment goes directly into the frame, so the all upholstery has to be removed. And if you have questions about this, please put it in the comments, make an inquiry, or visit LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, so I can address all your questions, your concerns when it comes to this kind of kit. I can help you to make decisions when it comes to colors and combinations. We have the expertise, we have the eye. Just tell us what you're looking for, and we can build it for you guys. And we have it virtually for any vehicle, not just for this Bronco. Whatever car that you have, we can make it, guys. Even if you have an old car, we still be able to help you. It's a little bit more pricey, but we still be able to provide you with the service. And guys, visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology, so you can see more transformations in vehicle like this. And one last note, guys, if you want to save hundreds of dollars on your next interior, please visit LeatherTeck.com. We have a form over there. Once you fill that form, guys, you're going to be able to save hundreds of dollars, because we have promotions at special prices only for the people in that list. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Go to LeatherTeck.com, fill up that form, and save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And there you have it, guys. This was our overview on the kit for the 2023 Ford Bronco. And again, it fits different years from 2020 2021 to 2025 is the same thing, and depends on the series of the vehicle that you have. It's gonna have slightly variations, and it's custom made, guys, made to order most of the time. Unless you choose the factory kit, it will be available ready to ship. Make an inquiry. LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology, so you can get more transformations in your vehicle, guys. Make an inquiry. Give me a call so I can help you with your interior. Thank you, guys.